make this vegan chocolate chip mug cake, we will need 1 tablespoon of oil. Use any flavorless oil. Chocolate chips, half teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of hot water, pinch of salt. And this recipe is foolproof recipe, so you can just dump all this ingredient and it's gonna turn out really good chocolate chip mug cake. Now this is a mug cake, but just for a change, here I'm using this martini glass. So again, it's up to you. Use whatever you prefer. You can make it in a mug, in a bowl. I see this mug cake recipe everywhere. Everybody use mug, but I wanted to do something different and fun, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this martini glass. Let's make our mug cake or martini glass cake. So first I will add all my dry ingredients to it. So first I'm going to add this flour, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, add a pinch of salt. And now before I add any wet ingredients to it, I will give this a quick stir and mix all the ingredients, all the dry ingredients. Perfect, it's mixed. Now I will add oil, 1 tablespoon of oil, vanilla extract, and now this is hot water. This is the ingredient will make your cake really moist. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add half of the water first and see if I need to add more. This is total 3 tablespoons, but I'm going to add it little by little. So I have added half. Give it a good mix. So as you can see, it's thick batter, but we want a little smooth, so I'm gonna add more water. We just don't want too much runny this cake mixture. Usually 3 tablespoons works, but when it's a hot water, it works a little different. Look at this. This is perfect. Flat it out. Okay, and now I'm just gonna add some chocolate chips on top. Spread it out. That's it. And now we are going to microwave this for 1 minute. As you can see, this much amount of water is left, so I think I use little more than 1.5 tablespoons of hot water. And our cake is ready. Look at this. It's so soft. Look at this. And this is not first time I have made it, guys. I have made it so many times. It always turns out so delicious. So follow my recipe, exact recipe, to get moist cake. I will definitely show you. Perfect size for 1 person. Now you can decorate this however you like. Add some fresh fruits or chocolate syrup, powdered sugar, or just enjoy it as it is. It tastes so good. But I'm just going to add a little bit of powdered sugar just to decorate. Okay, let's dig in. Let me show you. Look at this. Look at that. It's delicious. Guys, do give this recipe a try and let me know. I'm sure you're gonna love it. And if you love watching this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next recipe. Till then, bye bye.